Morning, good morning. Morning, good morning. You guys able to hear me? You guys able to hear me? Let me know. Yes, no, maybe so. You guys able to hear me? Let me know. Yes, no, maybe so. Oh, oh. Morning, good morning. We got what we got today? Let's see what economic data we got today. We got we got initial jobless claims at 8:30. Okay, so we got Penn and Homes at 10. We got Chicago Business Parameter PMI at 9:45. Okay, so this is pretty much why the market is it's not doing much today. This is why the market is just chopping. That is the reason for it. The market is waiting till 8:30. So I'm gonna wait till about we got 3 minutes left, so let's wait till 8:30 till the economic news comes out. Then I'll know what levels to watch or etc. We got a couple minutes left. We got like 2.5 minutes left. Did you guys swing anything? Bitcoin playing games. I need to get it over to 71,610. Bitcoin's playing games. It looks like a potential gap over red on a daily. So if it can open over this level, then Bitcoin has a potential to break out, man. Take out this weekly high. This is the weekly right here. Trying to potentially trying to break out. So I want a big green candle like this one right here. We got a couple more minutes. We got 50 seconds left. See what the market's gonna do. Let's see how the market's gonna react. You guys can see it's in a very tight range. Just waiting on that moves. 30 seconds left. Two, one. Bing, 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 bing. See how the market reacts. Not much of a reaction. There you go. All right, the market's reacting to it now. There you go. Nothing crazy, but it's reacting. It's reacting, nothing crazy. All right. Nothing crazy. It's a small reaction. Looking like it might be a fake out here on this on ES, but whatever. Let's do the. Let me get started. ES is up 0.05%. Nasdaq is up 0.8%. The Dow is up 0.7%. The Russell is up 0.17%. So ES, to be interested in calls, I need a break and hold over 523.21. Yes, to be interested in calls, need a break and hold, break and retest. It's the same thing, break and hold over 53.21. 5. You can target, I would say target 53.40 and 53.67. If it fails, let me zoom it for you guys. If it fails to hold this 53.05 level, so a failure to hold over 53.05.25, it has room down to this right here, 52, 5272.75. That's for ES. NASDAQ. Don't like this. I do not like the NASDAQ. Do not like that we are in a range. Don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Like in this flag, I don't like. I don't like the Nasdaq. For the Nasdaq, for me to be even be interested in calls, I need a break and hold over 186.10. So for calls, I need a break and hold over 186.10. It has room up to 187.03.5. For puts, a break and hold under 184.01.25. It has room down to 182.61.75. So if it can break and hold under this level right here, then it has room down to 182.61.75. But I'm not interested in this zone here. If it's trading inside this zone, I'm not interested in the NASDAQ. Today we might chop around, unfortunately. Digging this. Give me a second, guys. All right, so if we look at the Dow, the Dow looks decent. I would need a break and hold over 402.86 to look for calls. For Russell looks good. I don't really got much. I don't really got levels on the Russell, man. We got this previous high over here. We got a previous high here, a previous pivot. So if it can hold over this level, I guess you can look for calls. Not seeing much. Bitcoin playing games. I would love it if it opens over 71,610. Daily. Daily looks good. SPY. Not really interested, guys, to be honest. I am not interested on the SPY. Unless ES breaks over 5321.5. So QQQ. For me to be interested in calls in QQQ, I need a break and hold over 449.25. No, not much. I'm not liking today as much, to be honest. Not digging it. Apple can retest and hold 172.05. Then it got room up into 177.05. Then 180.2. So we can keep an eye on Apple. So a retest of 172.05 back over the opening. Look for calls. It has room up to 177.05. and 180.2. Not seeing much. Might be a trash day. Might be a trashy day like yesterday. Remind me not to trade next time on Easter week, man. Trash price action. Trashy price action. I guess for Nvidia, we'll say Nvidia. I'll say an open over 902.89 back over the open. So an open over 902.89, spike lower, back over the open, and look for calls. It has room up to, we got a lot of room up, 949.21. But I would try, yeah, 941.21. And for puts, I would need a break under 894.3, and it has room down to 855.17. Tesla, not much. Netflix, not much. Meta, not much. Amazon, digging Amazon, digging it. I'm digging it. Digging Amazon. Let's see if it fakes out like it's been faking out ever, man. It keeps just faking out, doesn't want to break out. So I would say Amazon. It's kind of Amazon looks like top watch today. Looks like it's gonna be top watch. So an open over 179.96, spike lower, back over the open. Look for calls. It has room up to, it has room up all the way up to 185. 185.69. I would say trim at 183.47. 47. It has been rejecting as 180.99. Why did I have this level? I'm not sure why I had this level, to be honest. I guess it was maybe this daily pivot. I guess you could use. It's not really a real level, just a kind of a pivot, not a real level. Roku, not interested. Google, not really interested. AMD, interested. BA, mm, mm. BA can hold over 191.99. It has room up from 186, 187, and 198. But I'm not really a fan of trading BA, man. BA be playing games, man. UNH not interested. Goldman Sachs. GS looks decent. It can open over 416.76. Has room up into 425.56. That on Can't stand coin. Did me dirty yesterday, man. Taking over 262.26. They got room up into 276.81 and 281. Coins. Coin blew mine yesterday. FedEx. UPS. CRM. Nope. Idle. JP Morgan. Somebody said Hut 8 Corp. You're gonna have to give me an exact ticker name, bro. You can give me an exact ticker name. I'll charge it for you, but I don't know what's a Hut 8 Corp. Crown. UCOM. UCOM looks okay. It's bull flagging, you know? Bull flagging. If it can open and get over this 169.55, got room up into 170, 179. Disney. Willow. Baba. PayPal. Yes, Airbnb. If you guys find anything good, let me know. As of now, I'm not finding anything, guys. You looks okay. Chop. NPH. The NPH, if it can open over 119.86, it has room up into 127. So it has room up to 127.46, then 130.28. And W, not interested. FCX, if XCX can get over 46.41, it got room up to 49.36. Let me put a little alert here. Oxy, nope. Lulu, no. Lulu took a dump. I'm not really interested in shorting Lulu, man. It's a big dump. Needs some type of pullback. You spot. Dash. VGO. All right, so let me look at how did it had earnings today? It had earnings and it ain't do much. Why would you want to trade this? It had earnings and it didn't do anything. So I mean, I'll find some levels for it, but it had earnings and it ain't do jack. Very weak move. Like for it to have explosive moves on earnings. And no weak price action. Like the way you work it, no diggity. But yeah, I'm finding some levels. I'm finding some levels for you, man, in case you want to trade it. I ain't seeing much on it, but if you want to trade it, ain't not much to trade here, brother. But yeah, it ain't much to trade. But I guess if they give some good news on a conference call, maybe you can rip. But I am not seeing much. Little flag here. Nothing worth my time. Oh, today's trash. Trash, 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 trash. In fact, this whole week's been trash. This whole week's been trash to trade. Anything else you guys want me to watch or a chart? Looks like today ain't it. Today is not it. Today ain't it. Look at hood. Marvel. Look at Mara. I would say Mara, if it could get over 2271, you can target 2513, 2836, 31,730, 3147. Looking like today might be one of those days that I don't even trade. Mm-mm-mm. I see no A plus setup today. Besides that, or don't trade at all today. So I see no A plus setups today. So you already know, either size down or don't trade at all. The only one I do like more than the rest is Amazon. If I had to trade, it would be Amazon. If we can get an open over a 179.96. A spike lower and then back over the open, then I do like Amazon. But that's about the only thing I like today, guys, is Amazon. Is there anything else you guys want me to chart for you guys? Anything else? Let me know. Let me know if you want me to chart anything for you. So I'm going to put Amazon and open over 179.96. Spike lower, back over the open. And look for calls. It has room up to 185.69. Trend at 183.47. You want me to chart IBM? I think my boy be wanting me to chart IBM every day, bro. What you got? What you got with IBM? You be wanting me to chart it every day. Look, decent. Looks okay. Once it breaks out here, it'll pump. Once it breaks out. Why, you got some shares on it or something? You got some leaps? I would say once it breaks and holds over 192.57 slash 193, then it should have room up into 198.59 and then potentially break out. It looks good on the weekly as well. It looks good on the weekly. It was a breakout retest right here. It broke out and I was retesting it, so it looks good. We can hold this level right here. Looks decent. It don't look bad. Yeah, today's gonna be the end of the month, so size down. I'm not seeing much volume today. This whole week's been choppy. Remind me not to trade much on Easter week. Remind me not to even trade that much on Easter week. I'm not seeing much. I want Bitcoin to rip today. Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Chakalaka. Misty R is not bad. Yeah, I'm gonna get myself some habichuela con dulce today. We're gonna make some today. We're gonna make some today. I'm gonna see if it can pull back to 930.98 and hold. You can look for calls and target 2000. You target 2000, 2078, 2156. SDR doesn't look bad. Remember, today's gonna be like a Friday, so it's gonna be pretty volatile. So size down, man. I see nothing A plus, so I don't see anything A plus. So size down, or if not, just go back to bed. Let's look at gold. Gold doesn't look bad, man. Look at the VIX. The VIX is green a little bit. Look like a trash day to me, man. I'm not seeing much. No, sir, no. My top watch is Amazon. That is my top watch, Amazon. We do have a gap over red. We got a gap over red on the daily. So my top watch for today is going to be Amazon ZZ. You can wait for the pullback to 179.96. Wait for the pullback and hold. If you're feeling froggy, you can take some Amazon calls that open. But just size down, man. Today's not the best day. Might not get any follow through today. Remember, could be interested in calls. I need ES to break over 53.21 for the NASDAQ. Needed to break at least over 186.10. So keep the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ in mind. So because of that, we might not get much follow through today. So size down, guys. Size down. If you are gonna trade, Amazon looks nice. Other than that, nothing else. You guys got any questions? Give you guys like 5 minutes. Got like 5 minutes left. If you guys got any questions, let me know. See, you guys are not asking any questions. I'm gonna call it a day, man. Thank you for your time, guys. Peace.